Surprise, universe! It's me, Deadpool, Marvel anti-hero extraordinaire. This is my launch trailer, and research showed that trailers, dubstep, and absolute chaos go together like Wolverine and bad haircuts.
Ah, yes, dubstep. The dulcet tones of a computer being lobotomized that make kids go wild.
That being said, drop the beat! Big mayhem! Let's get it on! I love old 8-bit games!
This game isn't old. Or 8-bit moron.
Really? Yeah! Okay, now, big mayhem! Back, let the quest for booty begin! Cable, what is this? Now it's
Smells like tacos.
You like tacos, Wade?
Silence, fool.
It's over! Big mayhem!
I didn't sign up.
I'm gonna get dizzy! Rise and check! Could somebody get a microphone? Because this would be a perfect time to drop it!